It's been a couple of weeks since LG announced its next 34-inch Thunderbolt 3 monitor, and now Samsung has done the same. While LG has the highest resolution, effectively between 4K and 5K, Samsung expects its curved design to win fans. The Samsung CJ791 QLED monitor offers a resolution of 3440x1440 pixels, in contrast to the 5120x2880 of LG. But while the LG 34WK95U is a flat design, Samsung's offer is curved. It has a curvature of 1500 R, which means that if you put a bunch from end to end to form a complete circle, the radius would be 1500 mm. Samsung claims that the QLED monitor offers deeper blacks and whites brighter than OLED, but the color space is only 125% of sRGB, so it is way behind monitors like LG's UltraFine range. However, it delivers 85 W of power through the USB-C connection, making it a solid single-cable solution for 15-inch MacBook Pro owners. The monitor is mainly aimed at players, offering a response time of 4 milliseconds and a special game mode,